Let's talk about removing values. Once again, we can use the same method. The dictionary object has a pop method, just like the list does, which will take the key that we want to pop. So remember, pop actually removes the value from the dictionary and returns it. So once I pop, if I pop dictionary the age from that dictionary, what it contains the employee record, age will now be inside the value here, the variable, but it will no longer be in the dictionary. So that key and value pair will go away. So if I want to do that here, so if I say demp.pop and I say age, and I put that age in an integer, and then I can print int age, and I can print the dictionary. So if I run that, you can see it prints the age because that's been popped. And now that record or that dictionary no longer contains an age key and value pair. Okay, so that's the better way. Okay, pop is the better way. I can use the delete function in Python to delete that. But once again, if I forget to add the key, it'll delete the whole dictionary. Pop won't do that. Okay, so pop is always the safer bet. It's more precise. And a lot of times it's useful to return the value that you're taking out because you often want to do something with it, even if it is just giving feedback to the user to say, hey, I removed this value from the dictionary. And that's just sort of good user interface practice. But those are the ways that we remove values from the dictionary.